the blow trees, only lonely melody. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I dey lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly.
Guys, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Space. Guys, I want to apologize in case you be hearing some noise. There's some works going on in my house and in the backyard of my farm, which I'll be taking you guys along. And please, guys, don't mind my head and my face. I'm just waking up, as you can see. So let me shoot this video for you guys. Okay, without wasting much of your time, let's get to today's video. Okay.
I know the blow trees, only lonely melody. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I dey lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly.
This banana is almost what I'm doing now. see, this side is cut off. Onye na-egbu ahịhịa ka ọ bụ jams?
Organic manure.
Okay, manure.
Organic manure.
Okay.
Organic fertilizer.
Okay.
For plantain.
Oh.
What they may add more greenish and they made become more big.
So guys, as you can see, I'm in the back of the farm, and today guys we'll be expecting 2 pigs. My dad bought a pig, so we have some before. We are training them before we stop, but now we want to resume back to rearing pig. So we have their houses. It's very dirty, and my sister is washing it, which I'll be showing you guys in a short second. So I want to show you guys how the house look like now, and when we are done with arranging how it will look like. So let me show you guys the house. So as you can see, these are what the houses look like. It was not like this before, and you see it's very dirty. We need to like clean it a bit. Okay, like this one now, it's not better. Their houses was not like this before, so there's a lot of work that we're going to be doing here. As you can see, that's what it is. Let me do this. As you can see, yes, it's watching the house because we're expecting our pigs today. So guys, I'm showing you guys the full view of what this side looks like, as you can see. So we are still on the walk. I'm going to be showing you guys the final look maybe in my next video, okay? So you can see. So guys, this is how we spray agolic fertilizer in our plantain for a rapid growth and a rapid fruit, okay? So this is what I'm doing here.